Magandang umaga, Arlinatics. So, meron tayong paglilinaw na gagawin ngayon. Katanungan ng bayan. Bad news ba or sad news ba ang pagkawala ng voucher program sa state universities and local state universities sa ating bansa? Okay, so ating tatalakayin ang basihan ng ating gobyerno kung bakit aalisin na o i-discontinue na ang pagbibigay ng voucher program sa mga state universities and local state universities starting school year 2024 to 2025. So, pursuant to Section 32 of the Implementing Rules and Regulations of Republic Act 10533, otherwise known as the Enhanced Basic Education Act of 2013, specifically provides that the transition period for non-DepEd public officials or SUCs or LUCs in the implementation of senior high school voucher program is until the end of school year 2021 to 2022. So, dapat nung school year 2021 to 22 po nag-end ang pag-provide ng ating Department of Education or ng ating gobyerno ng voucher program para sa mga senior high school sa state use and local state use. Pero dahil marami pa rin nag-enroll sa sumunod na taon hanggang itong school year na to, ay pinagbigyan po sila. Pero malinaw na sinuportahan din ng CHED Memo Order number 32 and 33, series of 2015 and 35, series of 2016, which states that the engagement of state universities and local universities in basic education through senior high school shall be limited to the K-12 transition period only, which is from school year 2016 to 2017 to school year 2020 to 21 only. Kaya sa susunod na pasukan ay hindi na po mabibigyan ng voucher program ang mga mag-i-enroll na grades 11 sa mga state universities and local state universities. Pero kung talagang gusto ninyo na ang mga anak nyo ay doon pa rin magsi-senior high school, pwede pa rin po silang mag-enroll sa state universities and local state universities. At malinaw pong nakasaad ito dito sa DepEd Order number 20, series of 2023. Uulitin ko, SUCs and LUCs with laboratory school can accept enrollees but will no longer receive vouchers. SUCs and LUCs with laboratory school can accept enrollees but will no longer receive vouchers. And super good news pa rin po dahil ang senior high school ay libre sa lahat ng mga pampublikong paaralan sa ating bansa. At mas lalong good news dahil tuloy pa rin ang voucher program for senior high school qualified learners sa private schools of your choice. So, alam naman po natin na may mga private schools na nabibigyan ng permit to be given a voucher program para sa kanilang mga mag-aaral ng senior high school. So, sa susunod nating vlog ay tatalakayan naman natin kung saan mag-a-apply ang mga incoming grade 11 learners for their vouchers or financial assistance. At ganun din kung sino yung mga qualified sa voucher program na ito ng DepEd. So again, our basis in this discussion of ours is DepEd Order number 20, series of 2023, part 11 po yun ng ating DepEd Order. So magandang buhay! Lagi po sana tayong positibo sa lahat ng bagay. Bawat problema ay may solusyon. Huwag po tayong malungkot. Pagpatuloy lang po natin ang laban ng ating buhay. Salamat! God bless everyone!